And with the interest rate hike decision, US30 and US100 both have seen a good drop. In fact, US30 has gone below 30,000 levels, traded till towards 29,950, and US100, yes, it sustained below 11,500 but failed to breach past 11,400. Now, what can be expected out of these two? See, the both two respected the resistance levels on the upside. 31,000, I have told many a times that 31,000 may provide resistance. And for US100, see, we had talked about 12,050, 12,100, that I told you till 12,100 it can reverse any point of time, that is stronger possibility exists. And see, precisely it has reversed from those levels. Now, what can be expected? Which position you should take today in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do press the bell icon. The next update on these two indices will be up before the US cash session. So do press the bell icon. First, we'll look into NASDAQ100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Let's start the day. Now, see, this is the hourly chart. Now, on the hourly charts, one must observe that this is trying to give you or trade within this channel. The resistance there on the upside at 11,600 is definitely strong. Yes, only buy position I will recommend is beyond 11,570. Beyond that, you can expect 11,600, which is the next resistance zone. And if it breaks past 11,600, you can certainly expect that we may see it reversing a bit. How far this can go? It can go till towards 11,750, 11,800 levels. Be careful. Yes, it can come back till towards this zone, which was the previous strong resistance zone, that is 11,700. On the downside, trading below 11,500, again possibility of it to give you another sharp move exists, and then we may be looking forward to the support at 11,400 levels. On the hourly charts, it is extremely bearish. The directional movement is extremely bearish. It may show you convergence, and hence a little retracement on the upside can be expected. Look at the stochastic. This was oversold. It is trying to recover from these levels. The MACD is bearish, and see the bearishness, the height of the candles are done. Possibly it is looking forward to converge a little, or at least reduce the bearishness a little. RSI is oversold. It may try to come out of it. And on the 2-hour charts too, see the bearishness getting diminished here. The candle size is diminished. At the same time, there is a support on the downside, the resistance on the upside. Yes, you can buy here at 11,570. Expect 11,600. In fact, 11,700, 800 levels can be seen. Beyond 11,700, possibility of little more bullishness exists. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. Remember, it has seen the candle height. That is what it appears. Possibly it may try to sustain these levels. RSI is oversold on the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, I will recommend to buy only if you see it trading above 11,570, and then you can expect that we may see 11,600, 11,620. See, you have to ensure that only and only if it breaks past 11,650, you can expect further more bullishness. Till the time it trades below this zone, it is giving you lower highs only, and then it can possibly drop from there. On the downside, sell below 11,500, and then we can see little more bearishness. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. Possibility of a bounce back exists. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still some room for it to continue with the drop. And if you look at the RSI, this is oversold. Now look at the 4-hour charts. I'll watch for where this candle closes. Possibly if it closes here in red, and the next candle may give you similar formation and then it reverses, possibility exists that it may try to rise till towards 11,720, 11,840 levels again. The directional movement is white, divergent and bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD on the 4-hour charts has just crossed over. Yes, it is just the first red candle. We can expect second and third red candle, possibly. RSI trading near to bottom there. Now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, first thing is higher highs are done. Second thing is, see, where was the high? 12,050 levels. The lows there at 11,480. So with this good swing, it is presumed that the equilibrium levels should be between 11,720, 800 levels, and only if it trades above this zone you can consider that as bullish. So you have to wait and watch for 11,800, 11,840 levels, and if it trades beyond this then only consider that as a bullish reversal. Till that time every rise is an opportunity to sell. Also remember, it has seen the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and precisely bouncing back from those levels. You can see it here. So 11,480, 470 levels are going to be the bottom there, and possibly once it drops below, remember I have told you many times 11,400 is a very strong support. Below that it is going to break again strongly and then we may see a sharper drop. Directional movement on the daily charts is bearish and it is divergent. Stochastic is again looking downwards here. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is trading near to bottom. So see, yes, you can take a buy position at 11,570, but then remember 11,600, 11,620 and 50, these three levels. If it sustains beyond 11,650, the next target is 11,720 and then 11,800, 840. Beyond that, it will try to act bullish till it is above 11,570 and it is below 11,800. You have to trade with a strict stop loss, and even in fact if you have to close your trades and keep re-entering if it tries to trade bullish and if it tries to trade within this zone. So buy at 11,570 but trail your stop loss and keep shifting your stop loss to cost. And yes, below 11,500 you can sell again. Below 11,500 I will look forward to this time 11,470, 11,440, 11,400. Remember 11,400 is a very strong support, and below 11,400 we may see another round of drop which might take it till towards 11,240, 11,200 and then 11,150 levels. Be careful, take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 11,570 and 11,500 levels. On the upside, you have to be very cautious till towards 11,700, 800 levels. Achieving those levels, we may see a drop again. On the downside, be careful of 11,400 first and then 11,150 levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. And if you want to learn this art of identifying the right trades, taking right entries and the right exits at the right time and become profitable, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch is starting on 3rd of October. Be a part of it. Missing out this opportunities, missing out the profits, because the strategies and methodologies taught definitely will help you become profitable. Remember, we are also giving you a technical support even after the course, and we are always there with you. So yes, you can take profitable trades with the help of us. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group and also the Patreon page where you can support the effort. So all the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 has seen sub 30,000 levels. Now on the hourly charts you can find it has seen 29,950 and it is reversed from there. At the same time, one must observe that it is trying to trade within this channel, creating lower lows, lower lows and lower highs. The resistance there now at 3,100 is strong. I will recommend you to take a buy position only above 3,100, but then also you should be careful till 3,200, and above 3,200 you can expect a little rise. There is a liquidity gap here with this drop. Possibility exists that we may see it rising till towards 3,500, 600 levels. The directional movement is extremely bearish. It may start to converge. Stochastic is extremely oversold. It is trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is extremely bearish and possibility of it to reverse a little or converge a little exists. RSI is oversold. Hence, on the hourly chart, it appears we may see a little bounce back. On the 2-hour charts, what we have seen on the NASDAQ100, the bearishness is getting diminished here. It is trying to reverse from here. Yes, you can buy here at 3,100 levels. Above 3,100, you can expect 3,200, and then beyond that, we may see 3,400 and 3,600 levels as the high before it tries to drop again. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish here. It can start to converge. RSI is trading oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, it is trading and it is trading still bearish, but yes, it can give you a symmetrical candle here almost 3950, 3100, and then the next candle might take it further up, possibility exists. Then 3200 is the target, and beyond that we may see 3400 and 3500, 600. Remember, 3500 and 600 zone is going to be a critical resistance for Dow Jones today. Achieving these levels, possibly it may reverse again and drop again. The directional movement is bearish. On the 3-hour charts, the stochastic is oversold. The MACD is bearish here, it is just 4 candles away, and the RSI is trading oversold here on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Also remember the fact, after this retracement, this is the first red candle, and yes, even if it tries to reverse a little tilt towards 3500, 600, the possibility of it to drop again exists. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is near to over bottom there. The MACD has just crossed over, it is divergent. This is just second red candle, and follow-up red candles can be expected. RSI is looking downwards. Now look at the daily charts. See on the daily charts, lower highs, lower lows, and in fact if it tries to rise till towards 3500, 3800, still it may continue to remain bearish. But remember, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and getting the support there on the downside, and that is why we can see a little pullback again on the upside. So beyond 29,900, definitely one can further remain short for 29,500 and further below levels. Directional movement is bearish, it is divergent. Stochastic is entering into oversold levels. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI entering into oversold levels. Considering this, the buy position today is above 3100 levels. Yes, you can buy at 3100. Above that, you can expect 3200 the next target, and then beyond that you can expect 3350, 400. Beyond 3400, I will look forward to 500 and 600 zone. Remember, the 500, 600 zone is going to be important for gold, for Dow Jones, and beyond that you can expect 3800. But it can drop again from these levels. Be careful. On the downside, 29,950. Yes, that is the level below which you can expect 29,900. If it drops below 29,900, the next target is 29,760 and 29,600. And in fact, it can drop till towards 29,500 levels. Be careful with the rise, and till 3600 you have to be careful. Yes, you can buy at 30,100 levels and expect it to rise more. 3200 is the next milestone, and above that you can expect a little more bullishness. On the downside, you have to be cautious of 29,900 and 29,800 levels. Below that we may see further drop. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.